Spec Ops utility knife. This is how it is shipped in this nice little packaging right here. Let's go ahead and open it on up. And here's the knife itself right out of the packaging. I have to say, very, very good quality feel to it. Really, really nice. I love this like padded piece on the top right here. And you'll notice there's no blade right now installed, and the blades are actually stored on the inside right here. So you pop that little piece on the back up, and there we have some blades included. Looks like we got 3 blades there. So let's go ahead and pop the blades out, and then we can install it. And to install the blade, there's a little button right here. So we're just gonna press this button and then insert the blade itself. And you can see now it locks right into place right there. So very, very good quality, feels strong in there. We also have this little wire cutter piece section right here. So if you wanna cut little smaller things, you can. And just very, very nice overall look to it if we look at the blade itself and the knife itself. Let's go ahead and close it. We have this little piece right here on the bottom. If we push that down, that will allow us to close the blade. And when it closes, it is very, very strong feeling. It's a very heavy mechanism right here. To open it up, we just kind of have like little handle sections right here on the side. We just pull those right up and it locks into place. And when you're actually using it, you can feel the quality feel. You can feel it's going to give you a lot of tension when you're cutting, which is really, really nice. And again, to replace the blade, you just push the button and that will allow you to slide the blade out. We'll just slide it back in and lock it back into place. And then to close it down again, we just press this and that will close it just like that. But overall, just a fantastic feeling knife. Great, great quality. I highly recommend this.